video, we are featuring a 1963 Chevy C10. By far, this is one of the best Chevy C10s that I have ever seen. We're gonna start by the outside, then we're gonna go into the suspensions, the wheels. We're gonna take a quick look at the engine, and then we're gonna move into the interior. Before we start this video, we'd like to remind you all to please subscribe if you guys are new, and if you like this video, don't forget to like. How you guys doing? So I got here, got a call that I need to talk about this beautiful truck, this 1963 C10. And what we have here is, obviously a beautiful truck. It's a 1963 short bed built by a gentleman, Mark Mulligan, pardon if I mispronounced your name, out in Pittsburgh. This truck is now in South Florida, owned by a collector who has a lot of beautiful trucks. A lot of super trucks, I like to call them, and this is, to me, is one of them. This paint is a PPG paint. I believe it's a satin finish, as you can see. It's got a custom grille in the front. There's a lot of subtleties that you see in this truck that sometimes are overlooked. As we come around the side, we're gonna see it's sitting on these wheels, which are Budnik wheels, really nice wheels. 245 35 20s. Yes, it's an offset pattern, so you have a 20 in the front, a 22 in the rear. As we pan down the side of this truck, you'll notice how beautiful and perfect the trim is. And that's by Marquet, the trim. Real nice trim. As well as the bed. The bed is by Marquet. This truck was debuted in 2017 in SEMA. It has a lot of subtleties, like I said. If you pan around to the interior, you'll notice everything is leather. And if you were here, you'd smell it. It has a distinct smell. It's really, really nice. AC, vintage air AC. It also has a lot of fab work down below by Heart Fab Fabrication. He did some stuff there to hold the vents. It's a beautiful truck. So, and you were telling me this, it was showed on SEMA in 2017? It was debuted in SEMA 2017. It also made the cover of Street Trucks magazine 2019. Wow. As far as the drivetrain, I do know that it has an LS3 engine. It's a 6.0, so LS2 block with an LS3 top. Okay. And let me see if we can access that through here. Yeah. As you can see, a beautiful engine bay. Again, the Heart Fab inner fenders, beautifully done and bead rolled. And we can see that the engine cover was also painted to match the truck. Absolutely. It's sitting on a Porter-built chassis, so front half, back half, Porter-built sections, running on Accuair air management. Just the best of the best in my book. It's a beautiful truck, man. Yeah, gorgeous truck. The owner said that I'm allowed to turn it on. So let's see, give you guys a little glimpse of what this may sound like. So it does have a little bit of cam, it's got a little chop to it, but it's definitely performance built. And she sounds real healthy, real healthy. Again, this was an open checkbook build in my book. It's just beautiful from A to Z, everywhere. Well done. The body lines, if you notice here, all the lines are correct, the gaps are correct. These are things that are sometimes overlooked. And never did GM have these lines looking like this from the factory. So you know somebody went in there with the metal, did all the metal work, and made sure all these lines matched. So that's something that you really have to take into account. It's a beautiful truck.
What we have over here is a 1955 Chevy Truck 3100. This truck was built by Delmo. It is now in South Florida, owned by one of my friends. As you guys can see, it has a two-tone gray with white roof, featuring the Detroit steel black rims with the white lip. As you guys can see here, it is also on air ride suspension. This one is on Accuair. The back of the bed has also been lifted, and as we mentioned in the previous truck, it was lifted so that all the air ride components can be fitted underneath the bed, and you're not showing any cables, any compressors, any air tanks, anything like that. Moving on to the interior of the truck. As we see, it has been completely redone as well. It has leather, Accuair 11, as I mentioned earlier. Dakota Digital. This is one of the best companies in the market right now, making dash and speedometers and things like that for old school trucks. This car has an LS3 engine in it. And as you guys can see, it is a beautiful truck. Moving on to the next one, we have a 1966 oval window with a beautiful orange color. Air ride suspension, that's why it is sitting so low. The rims are 215 45 17 on the back, and on the front 205 40 17. It has a rack top, beautiful interior. This Volkswagen is actually very, very fast. I will not be able to give you the details and the specs of the engine, but you can see and judge by yourself. Dual carburetor. All the gas lines and everything looks extremely clean. I've never seen anything like that before.
All right, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like always, let me know with a big like. If it is your first time passing by the channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media at Generation Old School. Goodbye.